Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are into vlogging or doing a lot of small scale product shoots, videos of products and stuff like that, or even doing online streaming, I have this which is relatively small and quite affordable in that sense. Is this. Now this is actually what do you call it, the mini LED video light. Basically it's just, as it says, LED light that allows you to turn it on and have a soft light where you can take videos and photo shoot on a small scale like this. Right, let's have a look at the packaging. It's called Ulanzi or Ulanzi. So Ulanzi Select at, with the battery size of 2000 mAh. Yeah, its model name is called VL49 because it has 49 LEDs inside. Now a bit more details here. You can see that it's made in Shenzhen in China, and it says here Ulanzi. These three characters in Chinese here. U, I think it means outstanding. Lanzi, basically, if I'm not wrong, it means basket. Right. Okay. Anyway, so this is how it looks like. Working time 1.5 hours, and that is on maximum output. For minimum, if you, let's say you turn it on to low settings or low light setting, you can get up to 5 hours, but I think low light setting may not be sufficient. All right. Okay, so LED 49 pieces inside. Luminance level is 800. Anyway, there's 5 levels of power, brightness, sorry. And yeah, let's open up and have a look inside. Right, so we have some kind of card, and it says here, giveaway Tuesday. We have free product review activity every Tuesday. If you're willing to review a product on YouTube, we'll give away a free product. One thing to note, this is not sponsored by them. I just purchased this, and you know, yeah. Again, some of the things here. If you want to, you could go to the Facebook and talk to them. All right, and this is the product. This should be the instructions. Let's have a look. Seems like it's in Chinese and English. Okay, right. So there is 49 LEDs inside. Some of the safety tips, warnings, and so on. Some of the specifications we have. And in terms of the brightness, it actually tells you efficiency of the battery, or rather the consumption level. Okay, anyway, yeah, so this, let's have a look at the product itself. There's too much of details here. Before that, one thing I like is that they're using USB-C, which is very good because my phone is using USB-C, so I can bring this along outside without bringing extra cables to charge this. All right, let's put it one side. And go and remove the packaging from here. That's really, oops, okay. Here it is. All right, and you can see here is that there is an on-off button or switch manual, not entirely sure what is this for, and this should be the brightness, and this is the charging cold shoe and 3 side, and another one that you can connect to. So let's turn it on and see how so this how bright it is. This is at 1. Let's try to level 2, level 3, level 4. I think this is level 5. Yeah, it's quite bright. It's not overly bright in that sense, but yeah, it's not too bad. But you have shadowing effect if you only use one. So yeah, so I recommend, if you can, get 2. Just like I have the other one here. Now I have 2, so it'll be something. Oh, let me just increase the brightness of this one so that it can be a bit more it's kind of evil looking, isn't it? Yeah, so this, if I push it to slightly pull it slightly further away, it will look far better. Yeah, okay, so yeah, let me just turn it off. Right, well, at the same time you could use this just to show you how it works. Plug it in, screw it in, and there you have it. Just turn on the light and you can put it one side. Of course, you can just basically put it down in this manner, but if you have a tripod like this, or even bigger ones, you could, you know, put it this way. So for this, the interesting part is that you could, in theory, push this thing in, so you can have 2, which is great if you need stronger lighting. So it's going to be like this, so you can mount it onto a tripod. Right, okay, I think it's a bit too bright. It's causing the camera to shift down on this brightness. Okay, so you can have as many as you want, in fact. Right, you can connect one here, one here, one here, one more here, and one more here, and then once you connect, you have multiple ones, so you can actually put it all together. It's something that is going to be quite heavy, and it's crazy to keep switching on and off all of them and charging them at the same time. But for a very short period of time, if you need that, you need the brightness, it's there. So yeah, so I think this is a great product. It's not water resistant, as you can see here, but it is affordable. It is something that you could look into for your own vlogging and streaming. Yeah, I think this is a good purchase. I bought 2 because I just want to try out to see how is it like if I can stitch them together, and how is the brightness. And I must say that I'm quite satisfied with the purchase. I hope you could check it out and let me know what do you think. All right, thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you next time.